Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you a little Excel trick, and if you'd like to learn more about Excel, do click on the subscribe button down below and let's get started.
One of my favorite things to do on Excel is create charts, and today I'll be teaching you how to create exactly what you see on your screen. Okay, so let's begin. To recreate that Excel chart, you're going to go to cell E3 and write the rept formula just like I'm doing. So you're going to write REPT, write the text you would like to repeat, which we're going to be using a slash here, and then you're going to write the amount of times you want to repeat this text, which is the number on cell C3. You're going to go ahead and close your brackets and then you click enter. After that, you're going to go back and drag that down to cell E12. Then you drag right to cell F3 and do the same, drag that down to cell F12. Now you're going to go ahead and left align cell F so that you can see the comparisons clearly. And after that, you're going to go and change the font to Paybill. So you're going to type PAY and scroll down a little bit if it's not popping up and just click on Paybill. You're going to see that chart just like the one in the beginning. Then you can color them however you please, just like I'm coloring mine red and blue. Just like that, you have created a simple chart to compare figures in Excel. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share this video, like this video, and also subscribe.